Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Gemini. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, Gemini. So let's start with these cards. We have 8 of air, messenger of water, page of air. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your career situation or in your relationship, you are feeling really cheerful, confident about something, happy that you have found the right thing for you, or you have made the right choice for you. So happy about something today in your situation, guys, and you are someone feeling really emotional, cheerful, confidence, and you are radiating confidence today. And you are a person who works with devotion and dedication, guys, and today you really feel inspired by your circumstances, the way things are going, and you're confident that everything will go in the right way, everything will go as expected for you, and you're happy the way things are. And maybe that may be the reason you are just radiating confidence and happiness today. People are attracted to you because of that, guys, because of your qualities, because of your cheerfulness, because of that inspiration you have in your heart, and you are doing things confidently, deciding for yourself confidently, and you are feeling powerful, happy, and you feel that you have everything you need today to handle your circumstances effectively and move towards or achieve the things that you love. So, no more fear, anger, or jealousy towards others or towards other people. So, you have confidence empowering you today. That is what I was trying to say, guys. Your confidence is taking you to great heights, maybe in your work, or it may be the way you feel in your relationship with this person you love, guys. And in this relationship, you are confident, happy about the way things are, guys, but it should not turn into arrogance, Gemini. Maybe this confidence or your cheerfulness should not block your vision from seeing the truth right in front of you. Maybe you feel that you are the one who will be able to handle any situation effectively, and you are making some choices for this person you love, for you both together. But you need to understand that whatever is clouding your vision, maybe you are right, you are feeling really inspired, cheerful, and in your heart of hearts you know that you are making the right decisions. But whatever it is, guys, in your relationship, you must have that open heart communication with that other person if you want a harmonious, balanced relationship, Gemini. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's 8 of fire. So with this card in your relationship there are changes happening, guys, and you know what is your place in this connection, and things are gaining momentum. Maybe you are stepping up, maybe moving to the next step. You are thinking of commitment, marriage, engagement, maybe. That may be the reason you are making some important choices in this relationship. And if you are doing that, you must do it considering this other person also, guys, the person you love. So there are happy changes happening in your relationship, guys, and it may be something, what to say, taking place in a short notice. Maybe you are proposing to them or they are proposing to you. So for your career situation, guys, we have four of water. So in your circumstances, in your career, maybe you are dreaming, planning for your future, and expecting certain things for yourself, hoping things will fall into place in a particular way and certain opportunities will reach you. But you need to understand that at the right time, everything that you desire will come towards you, guys, and that timing is the divine perfect timing. So you need not feel sadness or stress or disappointed because of certain things not going expectedly. So whatever is supposed to reach you is surely reaching you today, guys, Gemini, in your career situation. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, Gemini. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so for those who chose this card, the first card, let's see what it is. She offers the sacred wine, so drink. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your circumstances today, you may have a lot on your shoulders, a lot of burdens, a lot of things to do which demands your attention, which demands your work and efforts. But today, the universe or the Holy Spirit or God or whatever you call it, the higher spirit, is coming towards you with a guidance. So it is giving you a sacred wine. It may be a blessing, guys, which you never expected. It may be a blessing that is giving you peace and harmony in your heart of hearts. So maybe you should be able to receive this blessing and be ready to feel drunk with that sacred wine. So what does that mean? It just means that we must let go of all our inhibitions, whatever is holding us back today, and step forward in life wherever life is leading us. Maybe there are some offers or opportunities coming our way. It may not be according to our dream or expectation. It may be something surprising, something coming. And it is also a guidance for us to let go of all the rules and um, what to say, our ideals, whatever we have, and take time off, feel free from whatever is holding us back, maybe even from our day to day activities. Maybe we must take a break, feel that silence and bliss in our heart, take time maybe to relax ourselves. So when we do that, we will feel more rejuvenated, detoxed from our day to day life. That is what this card is about, guys. So we must put aside the seriousness we have and feel free or feel happy to do whatever we love to do or whatever comes to us. Maybe spontaneously, we may feel like doing something, maybe painting or going out, taking a break from work. So, whatever it is, it's simply going to act as an inspiration today, guys, for us. So, that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the energy. So, let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it is the Snow Queen, loyalty. So, with this card, guys, the energy is that you are someone who is really patient and loyal, trustworthy. You are a very reliable person, friendly person, and that may be the reason people love you. And this card stands for friendship. Maybe someone has moved away from you. That person would have been your very close friend, maybe because of some addictive behaviors or something. They have moved away and they have even forgotten this friendship you both shared. But today, just because of the way you are a true friend, a loyal friend, trustworthy friend, and your patience and love towards this person has changed them today, guys. They are coming back to you. So that is what this card is about. So it may be your friend or it may be the person you love. So they are seeing things more clearly today, and they are releasing themselves from the grasp of some addictions. They would have found it really difficult till now, but today they are coming back to you, guys. They want to come back and they are giving up these addictive behavior or some kind of obsession they had. So that is the energy with this card. So you are going back to that enduring bond you both had, that love and friendship you both had. So your love and friendship has triumphed today, guys. It has triumphed over all the obstacles you had, maybe the addictions or some other obstacles it may be, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.